Hello my dears, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are doing well, and I am very happy and grateful that you have chose to spend your time with me. But before we meet our deck, I wanted to let you know about the many ways you can support my channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe so I can appease the mighty algorithm and be seen by more people and grow as a channel. And if you want to be notified of a new video that I have released, go ahead and click on the notification bell. Or you can buy me a coffee. The link is below or above in the banner. And any proceeds that I get from coffee go back into buying decks so that I can review on here. So I make no profit with that. And with that being said, let's meet our deck. So we have the Nature Oracle, inspired by the wisdom of Ralph Waldo Emerson. And this was created by Carmen, Graf. I could not find a publishing date or when it was actually released, any kind of information about that. It retails for $17, but at the time she was having a 10% off sale, which brought it down to $15.30. And then she had a free shipping deal if you spent $35. So I bought 2 more decks, and it made it pretty easy for that decision. And I did stumble across these Oracle decks that I bought on Etsy, which is a bad place for people who have bad impulse spending habits, but I digress. So the container is an envelope style container. I've never seen these types of containers before. And the container dimension is 5.75 height, across is 3.50, and I'd say it's about a quarter width. And it doesn't have the title of the deck on any side, so there's no title stackability. And on the back you have her Etsy shop logo and then her website shop. So I will link both of those in the description below. And I think what caught my eye about this deck was the artwork. I love forest scenes, anything with nature. I really do like. And let's see. Okay, so in the envelope you have artwork, forest artwork, and you have a poem. A subtle chain of countless rings, the next unto the farthest springs. The eye rings omens where it goes, and speaks all languages of the rose. And striving to be man, the worm mounts through all the spires of form. A subtle chain of countless rings, the next unto the farthest springs. The eye reads omens where it goes, and speaks all language of the rose. And striving to be man, the worm mounts through all the spires of form. In these cards, you'll find passages from the book Nature by Ralph Waldo Emerson, along with commentary by Jeff Carra. The deck has been produced in partnership with Emergence Education, and there is their website if you want to check them out. Okay, I do apologize. I was playing around with this deck, and I did not put it back into order, but you do get them in alphabetical order. I do apologize, but I had a little bit of a lazy moment. Sorry. Alright, so you do not get a title card. You do get a little bit of information about the Nature Oracle, and a little blurb with Jeff down there. And on the back you get this design, and the cards are the card stock could be better. It's very bendy and it is thin, as you can see. Hopefully it will stand up to the test of time, but it's hard to say. And then you have a how to use the cards. So it gives you little suggestions on how you can use this deck. As there is no guidebook, there is no PDF guidebook link. It just has messages of the cards. And comparable to traditional tarot, they are larger. They are 5.5 height and across 3.5. All right, so let's go ahead and look at these beautiful cards. And as you can see, it has a keyword and then the paragraph and then Jeff's input at the bottom about what Emerson teaches us and lessons from his work that we can use in our day-to-day life. I like this. I am a transparent eyeball. And unfortunately, there are only 24 cards in this deck. I wish there were more, but that's how they made it. And she does have a different assortment of decks on her website, her Etsy shop, as well as her website. She has a mixture of affirmation, oracle, and that is it for the deck. And she has the 78 tarot card decks. She has the major arcana only decks, and she has the oracle decks like these. And she has affirmation decks, so a little bit of everything. All right, so shuffleability might prove to be a little difficult because of how little cards there are to shuffle, and with the cardstock being very bendy, so, and with the cards being long, might struggle with shuffling depending on how you want to actually shuffle the cards. So let's go ahead and see what the Nature Oracle has to say to us. Manifestation. There seems to be a necessity in spirit to manifest itself in material forms. Emerson sees the world around us as a demonstration of the divine's desire to reveal herself to us. Oh, I love the artwork on these cards. I love the forest. So anyway, that is pretty much it for this deck. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Did you like it? Love it? Hate it? If you did buy it after seeing my video, I would really, really appreciate it if you would let me know. Because I am curious to see if I have any impact on anybody buying any kind of cards. And if you would like to see a deck in a future video, let me know and I will see what I can do. But once again, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I hope that you will join me for a future video. But until then, take care and goodbye, my dears.